Today I would like to talk about the quiet stud. The quiet stud system can easily replace 92mm standard lipped wall studs if higher acoustic ratings are required. So the same top and bottom track sections would be used, all of which form the framework to accept the required sound insulation material and plasterboard linings, providing a wall construction which meets relevant airborne code requirements. Let me show you how easy it is to uninstall the quiet stud. Because of the friction fit arrangement, the quiet stud is rotated to free it from the deflection head track and the normal 250 track. Then we turn around and swing it over and remove it. And to put it back in is exactly the same. It's just in the reversed order. Nick, would you like to come over and show us how to do it?
Of course, John.
Nick's a young lady that works behind the camera. That's great. And of course, you always need to remember when installing studs, the open side should face in the same direction. Standard and deflection head sections are secured in place at a maximum distance of 600mm centres. Remember, fixing should be within 100mm from the end of the section. Quiet studs are installed into the track section using a rotating action due to the unique Rondo friction fit system. Top tracks and studs are not screwed off. The studs are cut shorter than the overall wall height, ensuring the deflection head is able to move freely, following the path of the concrete. And as mentioned, by having the stud cut shorter than the overall wall height, we generate, and you may be able to see that, we generate a gap between the top of the stud and the web of the track. As the concrete slab moves up and down, so does the track section, generating a deflection head arrangement. If this is screwed off, that prevents the movement from happening, and then when the concrete slab moves up and down, you'll get buckling and twisting, and that means you'll get cracking in your board. Tip of the day, or should I say tips of the day. Number one, remember to also cut your plasterboard shorter, matching the gap at the deflection head arrangement. 20mm gap, 20mm shorter on the side. Tip 2, gaps and penetrations should be sealed using the appropriate acoustic sealant to ensure acoustic integrity. Very important. And finally, ensure that plasterboard screws are the correct length to prevent contacting the stud central acoustic cavity. It's very important. Thank you for your time, and bye for now. See you later.